Hello, welcome back to my channel. I've just listened to Love Me Again by V, and now I'm going to listen to, I believe it's called A Rainy Day. And again, I've seen pictures before on the social media. Not as many as Love Me Again, because Love Me Again was very special in the sense that you can see this golden V. It's so pretty. But this one, I've seen a few with I think his little doggy. Is that his name? Young Tang? I don't know. Anyway, we are going to visit to Rainy Day right now. And again, just like Love Me Again, I've seen pictures on social media. I have not heard the song before, so this is going to be my first time listening to the song. Let's see how it goes. But I did see a posting somewhere, I don't remember, is it Instagram or Facebook, that this person say that he sees, or he or she sees, a lot of Jin reference. So I'll see if I can see any Jin reference. I don't know. Without further ado, let's go check it out. Wait. Really carefully. I don't know. Oh wow, okay. When all the eyes of V is staring at you. Oh, wait. The song has not even started. I paused so many times. Oh. So it was the hand. For some reason, my dirty mind was thinking that I was seeing him topless, but I don't know why. This portion, it's just his hand, right? For some reason, the first time it went through the screen, I thought it was his back here, I thought it was his back here, and he's like, I thought I was seeing him topless. I don't know why. Oh my god. I didn't. Okay, let's continue. Is the rainy day you start with that?
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say, wish I knew how to.
It's the same vibe. I think the R&B genre, but slightly different. This one a little bit lighter than the other one, than Love Me Again.
I'm thinking about you, what to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like staring at my phone, I gauge.
Wow, that's an interesting looking building.
On rainy days like staring at my phone, I gauge, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe 이젠 지난 일을 맨날 Time with you are so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same me. 늦었지만
Wait.
haven't changed, I'm still.
Oh, is it the time he's thinking about when he's with the other person and he look back and oh.
The same me. 늦었지만
Sorry.
Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, right.
Sorry.
Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days.
Totally unrelated. His condo condo, gives me, I don't know why, the Jetsons vibe. I don't know. It's like, oh, it's like his condo. Is it the time he's thinking about when he's with the other person and he look back and oh.
I don't know why the Jetsons vibe.
right? You know, I just can't expect some kind of flying ships gonna pass by one of those windows. I don't know. But it's a very gloomy mood. I guess because rainy day, right? So you're just kind of stuck in the house and thinking about the past with the other person.
I'm thinking about you,
Yes.
what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you on rainy days like. Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말을.
Oh my god, that I didn't expect that. Oh, it was very good.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and
He's the artist. He sure looked the part. Oh my god, I just want to look at him with him like this, so serious. Why is he holding his hand? Is he drawing with a loaf of bread? Is that a loaf of bread he's holding?
feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you.
Yes, he's got a perfect face. Yes, he does. Perfect ratio, golden ratio. I think V and Jin are considered to have the golden ratio, right? 1.1 something something something.
What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
Why does this thing look so familiar? And why does his does the side profile look so familiar? Okay, I don't know. I just let me
Wish
think
I
about
knew
it.
how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like.
Okay, I'll talk about it later. Okay. It's another simple song. And again, it's perfect for those of you who can pick up Korean very quickly. You can learn this song very quickly and can sing along. Because just like Love Me Again, majority of the song was in English. Only a smaller portion in Korean, and it seemed to be repeated Korean. So I don't know whether he did it on purpose or not. It's to help armies like us to pick up the song quicker because we're not that bright, you know. At least speaking for myself, I'm not that bright. So it's the same vibe, but it doesn't have the smoky cigar lounge vibe. It's just a coffee shop vibe to me. It's just like it's just like the song Rainy Day. Instead of stuck in the house or stuck in his a condo or apartment, I can see myself listening to the song or hear this song play in the coffee shop or a cafe, and you just be drinking your coffee, latte, mocha, whatever tickles your fancy, with a little cake or tiramisu, whatever. And yes, it's a very simple song again. When I say simple, I don't mean simple as like it's easy to make or easy to sing. It's simple in the structure and the lyrics composition. It's easy for us to pick up It's easy to the ears. It relaxes and calms you. And that's what I mean simple is, right? Sometimes you don't have a lot of noise and a lot of background music that just make it too busy that you cannot relax. You just want to move around with it. But this is a simple, relaxing song combined with this smoky voice. The video itself, just like Love Me Again, Love Me Again was a very simple video, just him singing. Seems like a club in a cave. I don't know. This one, the whole time was in his condo apartment / home with only him and his little doggy. And going back to before I start, about this June reference, I don't know. I don't pick out June reference, but I will have to say the only June reference I can think of is that side profile remind me of Blood, Sweat and Tears when June kisses the statue. Maybe that's what made me look so familiar. They're so familiar that the side profile looks like the statue that June kissed. And also the one that he was drawing, that thing looks very familiar. The one with the little wing and the little horn thing. I don't know why it looked familiar, but the shoulder reminds me of when Jungkook was drawing Jin. He was doing like the shoulder thing. That is the only two potential Jin reference I can think of. I don't know any other Jin reference. But enough about Jin reference. The song itself, just like Love Me Again, it's very soothing, very relaxing. It's the kind of song that on the weekend, like today, you don't feel like going out because it's too hot outside. You just want to stay home, grab a book, have some pastry, have some snacks, drink some coffee or tea, and just cuddle up with your loved one or your dog or your cat, whoever, or just cuddle up with yourself and enjoy a day and listening to this kind of song. It's just very relaxing, very soothing. I'm looking forward to the other songs that he has. So both song Love Me Again and Rainy Days has the same R&B. It have the same R&B vibe. One is more smoky and this one is more relaxing. I don't know what's gonna come next. I think if I read the announcement correctly, all of the songs that he's gonna release for his solo album, has a accompanying video or music video. I don't know whether they're all gonna be like simple structure like this. It's very moody, very, what do you call that? I don't know. It's very moody. But he might surprise us for the other songs, so we don't know. But we'll find out. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.